Hi YouTube, Tim Uckert here. In this video, we're going to use some data that I collected from some cities and some places around the world. And I collected degrees north, latitude, and also the maximum temp ever recorded. This says recorder here, but it should be recorded. And what I'm going to do is take that data and put it into Desmos and use Desmos to create a scatter plot. And then we're going to use Desmos to create a line of best fit and find the correlation coefficient. Okay, so first we have to enter in the data, and to do that into Desmos, we're going to click on this plus and go down to table. And this x sub 1 here is going to be the latitude in this column, and the y sub 1 is going to be the max temperature recorded. So I'm going to enter in those data values. Okay, so I've entered in this data, but we can't see it yet. So what we actually need to do is we actually need to zoom out. We might have to zoom out quite a bit. Now we start to see the data here. So we're looking here, and we can zoom in one more time. But we can see our data here. So now what we want to do is create a line of best fit. And we're going to use this x sub 1 and y sub 1. So if you remember from Algebra 1, the equation for a line in slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Well, we're going to write y sub 1 is approximately mx sub 1 plus b. So I'm going to do y, and I'm going to type 1, and it'll give me the subscript 1 automatically. Then I'll do shift and this tilde here, so approximately, and then mx, and then the 1, it's going to give me sub 1, and then we do plus b. Okay, and so here we have a line of best fit. Okay, and we're given the values. So we're given our slope is negative 0.264008, and that our y-intercept is 108.293. And if I want to go down to this cell, I can create another line. I can say y equals, and I can use those numbers. So negative 0.264008 x plus, and then the b is 108.293. Okay, and I can even highlight this and change the color, say, to red. And then I see that the red line is covering up this line here, this line of best fit. So I know that they're the same line. And I can, if I unclick this, we see the blue. If I click on this, this is the red. So this y equals negative 0.264008x plus 108.293. That is my line of best fit. Another thing this gives you, and let me see if I can zoom in a bit, is it gives you this R value. So R equals negative 0.3337. So we have, this is our correlation coefficient. So it's negative, so there's a negative association between latitude and degrees north and the max temp recorded, which does make sense. The further north you go, the less the temperature should be. But it's negative 0.33, so it's actually kind of a weak association. So we can find all this stuff out from Desmos. All right, well, I think that's pretty much it. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Also, maybe comment in the comments below, why do you think there's a weak association between the latitude in degrees north and the max temperature recorded? Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.